We've got the Nike Air Max Light, the Wolf Grey Flash Crimson. Let's suss these out. Right, we've got here. It's got these actually, yeah, from Josh from Depop. These are brand new, dead stock. Boom. Let's have a suss of these. This is the second Air Max to ever be released, apparently. It's obviously a retro one. It's got suede here. It's like a non-leather upper. It's got cool little detail there. Air Max Light. Nice. Yeah. I like the speckle spray. It's like an air escape vibes. It's got a thigh line, 4-foot, and polyurethane closed cell rear. Old school tread design, waffle design. This was designed by Tinker Hatfield. Yeah. Yeah, I'm digging the colourway. Retro. It's my first pair of Air Max lights. So yeah. Made in 2019. Made in Vietnam. There you go, Air Max lights. Not a bad little shoe.